everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week. Thanks for watching. This week's Super Cool Fold is from my good friends at PageWorks in Grand Rapids, Michigan. This is a piece they produced for client Herman Miller. This was designed in-house at Herman Miller by Ryan Segan and the team. And this is a wonderful little set of brochures. They're both in the same folding style, but I just wanted you to see how they coordinate together really, really nicely. This is called the Long Triangle Fold, and they developed this for an event they were hosting called Both Sides Now. And so one is the agenda and one is the roster. And I think you're going to love this. So this is called the Long Triangle Fold. I've only featured one other Long Triangle Fold. It was episode 102 if you want to go back and check it out. But the way that this works is the cover is split like this. There's a diagonal split on the cover. And so both sides open like this and then like this. So it's really a long rectangular shape with scores that are two parallel and then two diagonal scores. Now, the thing that they did here that I really, really like from a production standpoint is very hard to see on the camera, but there's a little 1/16 of an inch notch here. It kind of goes down at a little angle with the score, and then it cuts across perfectly straight. And then the same from the bottom. And that's because this is folding up and this one's folding down. And what that's doing is just killing some of the tension, and it doesn't let it buckle or have any issues. So it just folds really nicely. That little 1/16 of an inch makes a huge difference. Rather than making this one just solid rectangle, that little notch really helps. So these were die cut notched and scored and hand folded. Paper is Cougar Opaque 100-pound text. And so as I said, they did two pieces. These were printed on HP Indigo 12,000 digital press, and just what a nice presentation, a great way to give out material at an event. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week. Long Triangle Fold. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.